Hey there guys, it's Crazy Man 5 here today. I've got another truck update, and I know I need to start posting more. I've said that before, and I am still trying. I've just been getting really busy at school. But anyways, let's get started. I'm just going to show all my trucks because I'm not sure which ones I have and I haven't shown. So let's go. So I'll start off with my favorite. This is my Dodge Ram 2500. It's a 1998 12 valve. It's got a light bar, custom painted front bumper, blacked out lights up front and in the back. It's got a stack, a heavy duty chain, and it's got a hitch and tow hitch receiver so I can just take it out. And it's got custom tow mirrors and a Cummins logo in the back. And I got these tires. The rims are off of a Hot Wheels Real Riders car, a van, and the tires are off of a Jeep. Sorry about that, guys. I had a small interruption. But anyways, let's just keep going. This is the next part I was going to show you. I forgot to tell you I did take the stock windows out of this and replaced them with clear windows from a 2012 Ertl Dodge. And I also took front seats and put out of a 2012 Dodge and put them in here. And I keep the chassis so I can remove it just in case I want to do something with it. And the chassis is also detailed. Just got some small details. But anyways, let's get on to the next vehicle, which would be my 2016 Ford Mustang. Not much to this one. All I did was repaint it into a kind of a creamish silver color. Not much on that one. Next is my 1966 Shelby GT 350. The hood and doors do open. This one's completely stock. It's a M2. Don't know if you can see in there. I'm a little shaky today. But anyways, that's completely stock. Never really done much with it. The next would be my 2006 Dodge Ram 3500. It's just red and black, two-tone with a red stripe down the hood. It's got tow mirrors. It used to have cab lights, but I took them off. I detailed the engine. And I turned it into a dually. The reason it's so shiny is I put clear coat on it. And I also put one of the hitch receivers on it, so I can put a hitch and tow hitch in it. As you guys can see, I just mounted it out of the Q-tip tubes, and it does have a roll pan. But that's about it for that one. The next would be my first gen Dodge flatbed. All I did with this one was I painted it silver, added mirrors in a flatbed, CB antennas, new rims and tires, and I painted the grill, and that's about it. Not much for that one. It used to be a Hot Wheels. It was the Little Red Express truck. And next, I've got two Greenlight Dodge Ram 1500s that I lifted. Um, all I did was use the stock tires, and they both have the hitch and tow hitch receivers on the back. But that's all I did, was lifted them and added those. Except for this one, it used to be the Black Bandit with the light bar and the front bumper grill guard. But I took those off because I didn't really like them. But next would be my 83 Chevy Silverado. I do need to get some tires put back on it. I took them off for a different truck. But I turned it into a crew cab long bed. They used to be 2 single cab short beds. Put cab lights on it, tow mirrors. Well, not really tow mirrors, just regular mirrors pretty much. I did a few detailed paints on the side, and I detailed the tailgate. Not much for that one either. Next I've got this one. It's bone stock, just a 69 Charger Daytona. The doors and the hood do open, if the hood would stay open. Anyways, the interior, and then the engine. I like how detailed the engine is on this one. If it would focus. There we go. But yeah. Okay, and then I have another 69 Charger. This was the Hot Wheels. And I took the windshield out, and I need to make a new one because the other windshield was green and it bothered me. But I changed the rims and tires, painted the grill and the rear, and I detailed some paints on the side. But not much for that one either. Didn't really do much with that one. Okay, next I have a Greenlight hitch and tow enclosed trailer. All I really did with this one is I painted the rims black, painted the rest of it to dark green like my second gen. Sorry, I gotta move the camera so you can see the whole thing. Still completely functional. The jack still works. The back still folds down. And I have quite a few cars up here. This one's a 69 Camaro. The hood opens. If I can get it to open. Sorry. It's just completely silver inside. The engine is. And then next, I've got a 1970 Plymouth Cuda. The bone stock also, just like the Camaro was. And that's about it for this one. And I've got a 1966 Corvette. It's the 60 years for, it's a 60-year anniversary one. The doors open and the hood opens the proper way. That's why I got that. I thought it was pretty cool, other than I don't really like the color. Then I've got a few stock trucks just hanging around the display. I've got some over on my desk, but that's about it for today. So I guess I'll see you guys later.